What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of On Again with Andre Glenn. I'm super excited because today I'm getting ready to unbox a package from Heat Transfer Warehouse, and it is their spring into summer package. So let's see what they got for us here. As you can see, they got the new coating on the box here, right? You see the new tape that they have on the box. Very dope, very vintage, futuristic, all-in-one thing. So let me grab my knife, and without further ado, let's open this up. Alright, so we got it open. Let's see what's in here. All right, so it looks like the first thing we have here is some silver PSV. Looks like this is silver PSV. Yeah, WALAKut PSV silver. So I didn't know they had WALAKut PSV. So permanent sticker vinyl. All right. So all this stuff will be linked down in the description below as well. All right. Oh, looks like we got a transfer with Wally B on it. And I've never seen the black backing on the transfer here. So I believe this transfer is from Supercolor. So Wally B Supercolor transfer with the black backing. I want to see how that does for sure. I don't know what these are. I think these are like lanyards. Guess you can sublimate on this. Okay, so we got air fresheners. All right, this is perfect for the summer. Not only is it perfect for the summer, but it's also a super dope thing that you can throw in. Like, let's say you making custom apparel for like a company. You want to go ahead and throw a little sublimated logo in there. It couldn't hurt. All right, what's in the box? Uh-oh. It's a cup. Frosty cup. Oh yeah. I already see where we're going with this one. Yeah. Put my PSV on here and ride all summer with this. Alright. Uh-oh. We got the bling sheet. All right, so this is a sheet for the bling. I don't know, I might do like a phone charger, or I mean a phone case with this, but yeah, that's what this is. You probably could do a cup with this. I don't know. I had to do my research on that. Uh-oh. We got a t-shirt in here. What is this? Oh, greetings from Fargo, North Dakota. Yeah, y'all know I'm a fan of that. All right. Dope. Oh, it's got the Heat Transfer Warehouse. Let me see. Got the Heat Transfer Warehouse all in here. And I will be back in Fargo for WALAPalooza. That's gonna be fun. What's this? An apron. Oh yeah, this apron will be dope. Oh, here's the pockets at the front of it. So it's got a front to it with the pockets. You get your chef on. Yeah, I might mess around and just do some, you know, some crafting in this joint. This might be my crafting apron, you know what I'm saying? You know? All right, yeah, so these are lanyards. So that's what these are. Maybe I'll do a nice little project for the summer using the lanyards. And you know me, I'm gonna try to merch this stuff out. As a matter of fact, I swear I was gonna keep this for myself, but I do have a homie that just graduated from culinary art school. So I think I might wanna go ahead and hook him up real quick. So yeah, man, real quick, I'm just gonna hit print on this and get this going. The Sawgrass is always fired up. Make sure you always keep your Sawgrass fired up and ready to go. That way it can always do its required maintenance. So I'm just jumping in here. I'm hitting print real quick. So I'm jumping in here. I'm hitting print real quick. I got my heat press sketched up. It's getting to 400 degrees. All right, get this a nice little pre-press. I'm gonna check my pressure. I didn't have enough pressure on here. A lot of pressure right now. All right, so now I want to make sure that I have this nice and covered under. I'm not about to keep going to the store for no craft paper. I need to just order some. All right, so we got that tightened up under there. Got my printout right here, came out nice. All right. So I got my sheets on the bottom. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit that tape. All right, put my sheets on the top. Slowly slide this under to avoid shifting. All right, press down, 400 degrees, 60 seconds. Let it go. 60 seconds. All right, so I'm gonna hold it down to avoid it from jumping. 5 seconds out at this point. Just holding the top down. All right, slowly raising. All right, there's that gas everybody loves. All right, we're gonna move this off of here. It's very hot. Slowly move it again. Very hot. All right, grab it from the top. Very, very, very hot. Feel. Beautiful ink release on this fabric. Beautiful ink release on this fabric. All right. So my homeboy just graduated from culinary art school and he's getting ready to go off. And his company is Taste Mars. So, you know, hopefully he'll enjoy this, you know. All right, y'all. Until next time, Y'all keep it real. Thanks Heat Transfer Warehouse. Everything will be linked down in the description below. Stay tuned. I'm gonna do some things with the cups coming up. I'm gonna do some things with the air freshener coming up. So y'all stay tuned. Get ready for the summer. Get ready for the cookouts. Get ready for the graduations. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and that like button. I'll holler at y'all. Y'all have a good one. And stay safe. Peace.